Ones, it's Anthony and I'm here to unbox the Witch's Bounty for November 2019. Pretty much on like the last few days of November. Apologies for the delay. I've had a lot of deadlines, a sick kid, like all those sorts of things for this time of year. It totally makes sense. So let's open this up. I'm really excited. I've got my Don't Be a Basic Witch coffee and we're going to be exploring this together. It's like pure witch fuel. I wish I could live without it, but I actually enjoy drinking coffee. Anyway, we're digressing. So this is the Witch's Bounty. And let's see what we have inside. I heard this one's quite a maze. Okay, so we have our little parchment. Oh, hello. We have our artwork. I should hold things up instead of like gawking at it at the box because that really doesn't help. Beautiful. Hello. We have our beautiful little cord. I love this. This is great. They've got like different filling this month. We have does that smell like... I have to open this. I wasn't going to, but I have to open it because that smells a little bit mugworty. I'm going to ignore the pendant. Oh, it's blue sage. Okay, naturally imbued with robust healing and protective properties. Oh, yeah. My nose must be blocked. The blue sage is a wonderful addition to your pre-ritual practices. It allows, as you allow the smoke from the blue sage to waft through your surroundings, allow any negative thoughts and attachments to be carried away. It smells so good. We have a Transcendence Mini spell candle. I put a spell on you, now you're mine. Put a spell on you. And it was strong, so strong. Or so long, I think they say. You're a wretched little life. Oh, please bring back the original cast for Hocus Pocus 2. They always do such a beautiful job. Look at that green, it is so pretty. Oh, it smells so freaking good. It's delightful as I'm singing away here. Transcendence Mini spell. We've hand-rolled this spell candle with the intentions of assisting you in rising above the conflict between dark and light. It makes sense for the time of year, being that we are going into solstice season. Aurora. Ooh, hello. It's beautiful. I love these pouches. I just had a moment. Oh, look how pretty it is. That's going in the stone circle. I have a healing circle on my working altar up here, and this is going in it. I'm going to cleanse that. And it's going in the healing. Oh my God, I love that. It's like, ooh, shiny. Oh, it's so pretty. To accompany you on your path, we have included an aurora-coated Chalidance. I never get this one right. And then everyone's like, it's like that in the comments. Chalcedony. This Chalcedony was included with the intention of bringing calmness to your aura and inner vibrations so that you may focus clearly on your objectives. I got there in the end. Chalcedony. Oh, look at that rainbow. Oh my God. I would just stare at this. It'd be really fun to meditate with, actually. And it looks like a little walnut. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. Okay, Silver and Emerald Goddess Book of Shadows artwork. So we have this gorgeous goddess artwork, which is very kind of High Priestessy, Virgin Mary in themed. What's the theme? Oh, it's Ouroboros. Ouroboros Magical Anointing Oil. Ugh. So the oil has been created with the pure intention of bringing the energy of unity and fluidity to your aura and sacred space. Use this energy as you work through seemingly difficult changes and crossroads. Okay, as you cultivate. All right, so we're going to smell what's in here. Time to test my witchy nose, witchy. Oh, okay. Nah, there's mint. There's a mint of some sort. But I've got a bit of a stuffy nose because we've all been sick. So I definitely do smell the mint. What have we got in here? There's also, okay, so the peppermint, I was right. Cedarwood, as well as our mixtures as above, so below, and our personal cabinet with mugwort, damiana, and some other herbs with our quartz. The quartz to magnify it. Oh, smell. I love anything with like mint. I like a good mint. Spearmint I'm not really into. Peppermint I really thoroughly enjoy peppermint. Now we have the Pièce de la Résistance, and now we know it's Ouroboros. Oh, you are so beautiful. Holy shit. Ooh. Look at you. I have an Ouroboros. It's like, reminds me of the Neverending Story. But I have an Ouroboros in my... I have a big talisman of an Ouroboros. So I really... Look at that. It's there we go. It is. With an emerald. Gosh, that's stunning. I want to put it on right now. Wow. So what does it say in here? So pretty. Oh, you are stunning. Oh, and it's got like both of the eyes on the front and the back. I don't know if you can see. Let's see if I can get it. But both eyes have gemstones in it. So it's not just one. And I tell you what, every time I wear a piece of jewelry from the Witch's Bounty, I get so many compliments. Because they're really unlike anything else that you're going to find, which is one of the other reasons why I love them so much. So what does it say? What does it say about our Ouroboros? This is a solid sterling silver pendant with emerald. Oh, so beautiful. As one of the most ancient mystical symbols in the world, the Ouroboros carries with it the many teachings and ideas that have been passed down through societies and many cultures. The sacred symbol of the serpent dragon devouring its own tail was first used by the ancient Egyptians as a representation of the sun arriving and descending each day. Almost all ideals regarding the Ouroboros have been provided within the same understanding. Within our practice, we resonate deeply with the lessons of renewal and the shedding of one's skin. Also, I've worked with snake magic quite a lot. This is gorgeous. Silver is the metal of intuition. It regulates emotions and enhances psychic ability, which is probably why I've always been more into silver than gold my entire life. It's gorgeous. Emerald is a stone of the heart chakra and higher existence. Emerald renews, dwindles reserve of hope, patience, kindness, and compassion. Beautiful. The affirmation, I resonate with the energy of renewal, allowing myself to flow freely through the natural transitions of what is meant to be. I love this. It is, as always, a knockout collection by The Witch's Bounty. I am in awe. I'm going to cleanse this, but it's going to go into my working space immediately. What treasures. What treasures. Look at this thing. It's just so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much to The Witch's Bounty for creating such a delicious collection for us all. I will put in the description below where you can go to find The Witch's Bounty subscription box, and I hope you have a blessed day.